You know what, man? I'm really getting sick of some of this crap. You see what frequency I'm on? It's early evening, and I've been looking at this webpage and watching the POTA activators come and go, you know? And these aren't the call signs of the stations I'm about to talk about. So I waited a while until until the guilty parties were gone. But the POTA activator isn't the guilty party. The guilty party is the guy that I heard finally get through to a POTA station. And he said, "Boy, I'm glad I could finally work you. I finally found a remote that gives me armchair copy. You are 5 by 9, 5 by 9, blah, blah, blah." You know what, man? If you went remote hunting on the internet so that you could work this POTA activator, then you contacted him and swapped signal reports, guess what? You you failed to make a contact, in my opinion. Now go ahead, haters. You can hate all you want, but I'm entitled to my opinion, and you'll never change it. If you went hunting on the internet to find a remote to finally be able to work that POTA activation, that's sad. That is just sad. You know what, man? If it angers you that you can't work a station, then you need to get out of ham radio, because that is the essence of ham radio. I'm saying that the essence of ham radio is not who you can work, but it's who you can't. Today. And so you'll try again tomorrow, right? That's the magic of radio to me. The magic of ham radio to me is not making a mad internet scramble to find a remote so that you can report. Armchair copy, old man. How sad. How sad. How sad. 73.